Conditional probability. Very often, the likelihood of the occurrence of an event may be revised based on the occurrence or non-occurrence of related events. For instance, when the rainfall in a particular year is known to be scanty, the probability of a normal yield of crops will certainly be lower. In such cases, the possibility of events may be determined by incorporating relevant information. Now, suppose the color of a card drawn at random from a deck of 52 cards is black. Then, the probability of the card being a spade can be revised from 1 by 52 to 1 by 26. On the other hand, if the color is known to be red, the revised probability of getting a spade becomes 0. We denote probability of AB to indicate the probability that event A occurs given that event B has occurred. If A and B denote the events of a card drawn from a deck of cards is a spade, and that the card is of a black color, then probability of A is equal to 13 by 52, and probability of B is equal to 26 by 52. Now, probability of the card being a spade and black is equal to 13 by 52, which is equal to 1/4. Also be aware that probability of A and B is equal to 13 by 52 and 26 by 52, which is the probability of A and B by probability of B. The relation probability of AB is equal to probability of A and B by probability of B always holds. In businesses, when the findings of a market research survey on a new product are disappointing, the probability of the product being a hit in the market is low. On the other hand, favorable results suggest that the product is likely to be a hit after launch. In fact, a decision maker may opt to obtain relevant information through market research, for example, before obtaining probabilities if worthwhile. The concept of conditional probability is useful in such situations.